Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video we will see how to set up Google Assistant on any Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. To do that, just open the Google app. From here, tap on your profile icon over here, and from here scroll down and tap on Settings. From here, tap on Google Assistant. From here, scroll down until you see Digital Assistant. Tap on Digital Assistant. Now, from here, select Google Assistant. Tap on Switch. Now, from here, go back and scroll up and tap on Hey Google and Voice Match. From here, enable Hey Google. Tap on More. Tap on I agree. Tap on More. And also tap on I agree. From here, tap on Next. Now tap on Retrain Voice Match Model and say the following phrases. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now from here, tap on Next. Now, go to your home screen. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Now, as you can see, we have successfully set up Google Assistant on our Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.